I'm like, come and put that pussy on me. Don't be running from me. If I like it, I spend money on it. Get whatever.
What's up, guys? Good to have you all. Good to have you all. It's another day to move the market. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? This is a trading assembly. We are always here every night. Get your notebooks because you're gonna be learning, of course. And tell me where you're watching me from. I am trading binary options and I am on gold OTC chart. Currently, the market is getting into the pullback. So let's see if it's going to get deep or not. Yeah, that is my bias already on gold OTC. That is already my bias. Okay, buyers are already pushing the market back up into a continuation. So let's see if we can get any moves. Traders, mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? Good to have you all. Charlie, Mark Jr., George, Joel. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all. Tell me where you're watching me from. Have you looked at your charts today? This is a trading assembly. And we are always here to learn and catch up as traders. So tell me, how has your day been? Oh my god, guys, I had a beautiful day. Yes, I had a beautiful day. Actually, it has been a good day for me. So tell me, guys, how has it been? Have you looked at your charts today? I mean, it's a trading day. It's a very good trading of the week. So Jerome, good to see you. Evans, good to have you. Ita, Emma, good to see you all. She makes sure she keep her nails done and her wig fixed. When the chillin' that way help me down. She a real bitch. 100 rounds in a double drum. This a kill take. Marco been in prison for a while, but he still flake. I told Brody them to park the car, but they still wreck. I don't think nobody around still, but I still let's move, let's move. I can't chill yet, but don't get it misconstrued yet. I get real checks, baby, fucking like a poster. We have real sex. Traders, tell me, how has your day been? How have you spent your day today? Has it been a good day for you? Have you done any chart analysis? Have you executed any moves? Yeah, consistency is really key because that's how your skill is going to really develop. So the more you keep on showing up, the more your trading skill gets better. Put these figures in your business. I do real shit. I drop cash at the dealership. They'll mail your pink slip. She make sure she keep her nails did and her wig fixed. When the chillin' that way help me down. She a real bitch. 100 rounds in a double drum. This a kill take. Alright, let's move the market. As long as the markets are open, guys, we are gonna be showing up and moving them. So that's exactly what we are doing right now, and sellers are really giving us moves already. Cameroon, good to see ya. Valder Mori, hey guys, that name is hard, but good to have you, dear. Good to have you all, guys. Good to have you all. Tell me, how has your day been? Did you look at your charts? How was your trading session?
I was talking to Slime, and I said, I think I asked him, do it.
Guys, don't laugh. Some names are hard for me to pronounce. But much love from here, much love from here. Everyone is loved and welcome on the trading assembly, and you're free to ask any trading question. Yeah, we are here to learn, so feel free to ask any trading question.
Feel like they don't feel me now.
Feel they feel me now.
They see me now.
They see me now.
I'm steps away, I can't stop now.
Okay, I'm taking a week break to analyze the market a few hours today. That's nice, that's nice. That's a few hours a day. Okay, that is really nice. The key is as long as you're showing up on the charts, even if you're not executing and you're just on the analytical side, it's very okay. But the key is to make sure you're showing up. So keep doing that.
I done went pay my dues, dropped out of school downwind. I had a girl with some red hair, made niggas feel like child. Just got the phone with a vibe, though. No young nigga.
Abdul, good to see ya. Tibra from Budapest. Good to see you. And Meg, good to see you all, guys.
Came up pouring ass, she that nigga take care of my mother. Wish I had a girl.
Good to have you all. Good to have you all.
You can never put a price on how much I love her.
Surrounded by some millionaires, and I know I'ma be one when I walk off. Feel like I could be a trillionaire. Yeah, I'ma be the one.
How to use the Keltina. Alright. In a few, I'm gonna get into it. In a few, I'm gonna get into the details on how you can use Keltina channel backed up with price action as your strategy, or how you can use it with other strategies. Rami, good to have you. Good to have you guys. Now, if I don't want me, I delete her. Romeo, good to see ya. King, this is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask for any trading question, guys. We are here to learn as much as we are catching up. So feel free, traders, share your experience. If you have something disturbing, you share it with fellow traders. We are here to get better at our trading. Alright, how to use the Keltina channel strategy. In a few, guys, I'm gonna get into it. Cause I did keep them take it. She want to dance, cuckoo. Next thing she wanted me to, if it is impromptu, she's still coming through. She also gives emotional support too. These girls don't know what they want. Sometimes they want love, also want to do short time. You can't love me, you just waste your time. Anybody got time for that camera? As you can see, give me plan B. Pregnancy is not for me. Take carefully, rationally. No try put me for trouble, yeah. She asking, boy, what are we? We better be what we are being. The stress me, the fast forward me. She want to cool me with a dream, baby. And I dey ball like JJ. I dey play on my day way. And I dey give them JJ. Alright, let's see if we can get more entries. When it comes to trading, your mind has to be actively reading, comprehending what it is seeing on the chart. Meaning, whenever you are on the chart, guys, you have to be fully locked in. And the easiest way you can lock in is by focusing on trading alone, creating an environment that is serene for you, and you know you're going to just be. If you're not a person who likes noise, you can find yourself in a quiet room. Myself, I love trading with some music on. I can easily concentrate, guys, by that. Whenever you're looking at the charts, what has to be in your mind is understanding the market conditions you're in. It's really going to make your trading easier if you first understand the kind of market you're dealing with. And if you're a trader that does market time frame market analysis, that means you're looking at a higher time frame and a lower time frame. The easiest way you can use both time frames is simple. Is understanding what is the general overall trend on a higher time frame. If it is bearish, so it's gonna be easier for you when you come on a lower time frame where you execute to understand that yes, the market could be trending upwards when you see a bullish trend on a lower time frame. But at the back of your mind, it should only make you understand it is just facilitating a pullback on a higher time frame. But at the end of the day, the market is still bearish. So that's how you can relate both higher time frame and lower time frame. It just helps you understand and not overlinger on a trend when you're on a lower time frame. Basically, that's it. So if you see the market switches back into a continuation from bearish market on a higher time frame, on a lower time frame, you're going to be considering that. So in short, trends don't overlast on lower time frames because they only be facilitating movements on higher time frames. So you have to be considering that whenever you execute it. To the reggae no be blues and no, yeah, make a sucker no. She puff cannabis smoke and she lit she body up the highest order breezy girl. I know say me and the Jones, I know there is a light. I bring in this order, so give me that sweet, for real, from me. Sweet, c'est la vie, hasta la vie, looking pretty, me need it now, who need it, cuckoo kill me, but carry it, cuckoo kill me now, cuckoo beat it, and her knees, she say now we now, sweet, for real, from me. You guys are crazy. I'm seeing someone is commenting, you are slow to trade. I mean, that's how trading it should be. Patience is really key. Actually, if you master being patient while trading, you're going to find yourself on a winning side compared to when you're really just rushing into trade. You have to be patient and watch out the market and take entries based on your strategy, not based on seeing red candles and you execute in terms that you're thinking the market is selling. I mean, you could immediately execute sales and the next candle closes up on you and it is green. Then you're gonna find yourself trapped in a trend. So patience is really important. There is nothing like being slow. There's nothing like being slow here. We are just trading with market analysis, not rushing through things, and that's how it should be. So won't you ride with me, see where this thing goes. If it's meant to be, it'll be, baby, if it's meant to be. I don't mean to be so uptight, but my heart's been hurt a couple times by a couple guys that didn't treat it right. I ain't gonna lie, cause I'm tired of the fake love. Show me what you're made of, boy, maybe it's higher time frame at the moment to execute I do use higher time frames basically to just get the overall picture of the market. But since execution happens in a lower time frame, of course I am going to also be looking at that. Alright guys, let us change our asset. Let us first check out Brent and see how it's moving. So come on, ride with me, see where this thing goes. So come on, ride with me, maybe if it's meant to be. Maybe we do, maybe we don't, maybe we will, maybe we won't. But if it's meant to be, it'll be. Higher time frames are going to just show you the overall market structure. One thing you should know whenever you're trading, market structure always gets to the market structure always respects higher time frames. So at the end of the day, while you're executing on a lower time frame, you should always consider and know what's happening on a higher time frame for you not to overlinger on a trend when you're on a lower time frame. Basically, that's how it helps you. You already see me here. I easily switch from understanding that the market has been bullish, and if I see it giving me bearish signal, I'm easily going to switch to that because I'm anticipating this bearish movement. It's happening basically to facilitate either a pullback or a continuation on a higher time frame. That is the mindset I'm always moving with.
Hey Isabella, how you gonna come out and dance?
Hassan, good to see you. How are you doing? Good to have you. Thank you. Thank you.
Tell your mama I said sorry, I didn't bring you
home early last
time, and that was a little gypsy. I know she doesn't miss me.
Oh my God, my cells are invalidated.
That I like. I will go.
Okay, let us get more entries. I anticipated sellers happening. So let us watch out and see.
YOLO, only live once.
John Lack, good to see ya. 11, good to have you. Lights, good to have you. Good to have you all, guys. This is the Trading Assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question.
Cause I can't take it with me when I'm dead. So tonight we are young, high, and in love. Isabella,
one day you'll be a superstar.
We'll go to America, a big show in a stadium. Woo, 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 woo. Isabella, today we boda. Tomorrow
you need to learn the trading. All you have to do is to look in, and also, guys, reminder, I have videos on this channel talking about this strategy and soon dropping more. All you have to do is to subscribe and wait when I drop fresh content. You can easily watch. Yellow, and I wanna have some fun. Away we go and
spend all my money on you, baby, cause I can't take it with me
when I'm dead.
Tonight we are young.
You know French. Bonjour. Bonjour. Somehow my French, I've forgotten my French, but yeah, all I can say bonjour. Okay, someone asked about how you can use the Keltina channel while trading. Yeah, the Keltina channel is the indicator you're seeing on my chart right now. And whenever I'm using the indicator, I look up to two things: getting a breakout either to the top side or to the downside. Whenever you get a breakout to the downside of the indicator, you're going to anticipate sellers in the market. So the best way you can use it with pure price action is when you see a breakout to the downside, you anticipate sellers in the market, but you wait for structure either to switch bearish, that is like a double confirmation, or seeing a candlestick pattern that is showing bearish momentum coming into the market. That's when you can look forward to executing trades in line with that. When you get a breakout to the top side, you're going to anticipate buyers in the market. So the opposite is true. You're going to wait for structure to either shift bullish, or you see candlestick pattern that are confirming bullish momentum happening in the market. when you see bullish and you wait for candlestick patterns that are confirming bullish momentum in the market. Basically, that's how you can use the KLTNA channel, and that's how I use it with price action. Just it gives me more added confirmation whenever I'm trading.
Hands all on her body. Try control it, can't control it when she's off that. When she's off that body. When she's rolling that body. When she's talking that soft, hard to get her off me. You like it? I can put 10 on the floor if you like it. If y'all keep fucking me more, I might be.
Emmanuel, you seeing that because of YouTube time lag. That's why our candles are not the same. So while you're here, please focus on learning. You're free to ask any trading question because we are basically here to learn. They are present. All you have to do is to call him. So let us do more analysis and see if we can get any move. Let's see. Let's us get a mover. So the strategy I'm using is price action, and everything I'm doing is based. All the entries I'm executing are based on that. Of course, with market discipline and patience is really key. Patience is always key whenever you're trading. Actually, I feel like when you take trades, when you patiently waited for them, that panic attack that comes to traders when you execute an entry, you will find yourself it slowly disappearing because now you're taking trades because you're sure and your confluences have confirmed it, and you just wait for what is going to happen next. Compared, I feel like you get more panic attacks when you're just taking trades because you're seeing candles green and you just sell and you just buy, and you see candles opening red and you just want to sell a candle like that. But if you're really taking trades based on confirmations, panic attacks are really gonna reduce. The more you're consistent in the market, the better your trading psychology gets. That's it. What if was, ooh, yeah, you better come true. Don't make me wait until the morning. Can I bet? Put your name on it. 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 Let me go. Let me down. Let me down. Can I bet? Put your name on it. Put your name on it. Yo, he in my starting five. He get his city live. These niggas scared they doing 50 and a 55. I'm trying to clap him like somebody told him give me 5. I'ma be a half an hour, but I told him give me 5. I'm trying to dance on him, blow my advance on him. I like him better when he got some sweatpants on him. I like his hang time. He said his head right. I said go all the way down and then head right. I watch him fuck it up. Let us tell me how this tension did. Did you look at your chart? Do you have any trader that really had a successful trading session? Put your name on it. Oh my god. That really took me out. Damn. Okay, they're still showing us some momentum. Let's see if they're really gonna make a difference. Cameroon has been around. So I don't know where he's going.
To show Avicii I was cool.
And when I finally got sober, felt 10 years older, but fuck it, it was something to do. I'm living out in LA. I drive a sports car just to prove I'm a real big baller, cause I made $1 million and I spend it on girls and shoes. But you don't wanna be high like me, never really know why like me. You don't ever wanna step off that roller coaster and be all alone. You don't wanna ride the best like this, never know who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that station, stuck up on that station. Oh, I know a sad soul, sad soul, darling. Oh, I know a sad soul.
Let us see how this bias flows, guys. I'm anticipating bias in this position. So let's see how it goes. Okay, this is already moving well. As anticipated, bars have really given us the moves.
Who already blew his shot. I get along with old timers cause my name's a reminder of a pop song people forgot. And I can't keep a girl, no. Cause as soon as the sun comes up, I cut them all loose and work's my excuse. But the truth is I can't open up. If you don't want to
feel free to ask any trading question, traders. This is a trading assembly. We are here to learn and catch up as traders.
You don't wanna ride the bus like this, never know who to trust like this. You don't wanna be stuck up on that station, stuck up on that station. Oh, I know, sad soul, sad soul, darling. Oh, I know, sad soul, sad soul.
Hey, we have really capitalized on this move, guys. You all agree? You all agree? Sellers have given us some crazy moves here. Guys, whenever you're seeing big candles with little wicks, that is a sign of big momentum. And that's what sellers have been giving us here. That's why I kept on taking these sales. Big momentum. It was such a great confirmation. So let's see how the market's going to reward our next moves. Oh my God. John Lack is saying in French. My French stops at bonjour, unfortunately. Bonjour.
Some boy just want to hide you. That's why me, you are letting. Girl, I'm not betting. Ready to make you sweating. Ties them I'm checking. Legs them I'm setting. Built for hard stepping. Make you lose, I'm betting. Girl,
I do anything I could for you.
How about that, guys? Let's keep moving. always tell you, when you see a move in the market, capitalize on it. Yeah, these big momentum candles, let us see, they're showing me market strength from sellers. So let's see how it goes. And you can see all my entries are locking in a plus. Yeah. Trading is about taking the risk, guys. Yeah, trading is about taking the risk. So when you see a good move, capitalize on it, because if you're not risking, then I don't know who is doing that for you. But still, even when you're capitalizing, guys, you don't put the entire account on a single move. You capitalize wisely. Yeah, that is the better risk management to go with, because you never know. Even a good move can, even a very, very good move and a very good entry, according to your eyes, the market can invalidate it. So that's why, even when you're capitalizing, be mindful not to put in your entire account, because if you have no capital, you cannot really trade, and if you cannot trade, you can't make money.
Climb on board. We'll go slow and high tempo, light and dark. Hold me hard and mellow. I'm seeing the pain, seeing the pleasure. Nobody but you, body but me, body but us, bodies together. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. I love to hold you close tonight and always. I love to wake up next to you. So we'll kiss off the neighbors in a place that feels the tears.
All hearts, good to see ya. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. Ezra, Razor, good to see ya. No. No. I can see you want to retire me, but I refuse to retire from these markets. I refuse to retire from these markets, Amirami. The market violates everything. The market can't be violating every entry. If you find yourself the market is violating every entry of yours, then you should really work on your entry models and also work on your timing when it comes to trading. Timing is very important to any trader, because every second that happens in the market, it really does something for you. Any delayed second or any rushed second when while trading can result into your position being invalidated. So also timing is key. Sometimes you could find yourself your position is right, but you hesitated a little bit to execute. So by the time you get in, the market will try to go in your direction, but still come against you. So you should also consider your timing. But the beauty about trading, even when you take losses, it can just be a lesson for you, so that the next time you're trading, you can easily know that this time I hesitated on this move and the market went against me. So this time, if you see it happening again, because we all know the market repeats itself, no lie. So you can easily capitalize on that move. You see it again and you don't hesitate. Your timing is good.
It's a paradise and it's a war zone. It's a paradise and it's a war zone.
Been around the world, nah, yeah. I can't find my baby, things getting crazy.
There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using, guys.
Got me walking down the house, so
Pocket
done up.
options.
In case I see your face and you decide to run up. Yeah, I'm in a different place. I need someone to hold on to. I've been sending up a prayer, hope the call gets through. Cause my heart beats for your own man. One day if you even know me, counting down every moment that I wait for you, I wait for you. One day if you even notice, maybe I've been feeling hopeless. Easy to lose focus, but I'll wait for you.
I've been looking
For a savior.
I've been looking for a savior.
Guys, my days when I was trying to become a rapper, when I was still in my career as a rapper, guys, Iggy was my inspiration. I really wanted to be like her. That is a failed career, by the way, guys. I really don't know. I should actually go back to studio. What do you think, guys? I should go back to studio and I get some song out there. But Iggy used to be my inspiration when it comes to rapping. Yeah, at some point I thought I was gonna end up like her, but my career ended before. My career ended after me recording 2 songs. Guys, whenever I'm trading and I am backing that entries with, of course, with the Keltinan channel, I also consider market structure. So that's why whenever you're trading, actually, whenever you have trading confluences, it doesn't mean that every entry you're going to take, all the confluences are going to be ticking. You're going to actually, there are some entries you're going to take when it's about 2 confluences that are confirming it. Yeah. The point of having confluences is that you easily analyze the market route, but when it comes to taking entries, sometimes it's going to be about, you're going to be zeroing down to 2 confluences. Yeah, some entries I take them based on entirely market structure without considering a candlestick pattern. Some entries you're going to find me considering a candlestick pattern and just the understanding of the market direction, of the general market bias. So if I'm in a bearish market, you're going to find me, I'm executing an entry based on like understanding that I'm in a bearish market. So I'm assuming it's in a continuation. I'm going to execute those sales based on that fact that a bearish market is getting into a continuation. Yeah, that is to ease your mind when it comes to trading. That's why consistency is key. You're going to find yourself some days when you're consistently looking at the market, some entries are not only taken because they confirm all the 4 confluences you have. Sometimes you just need 2 of your 4 confluences to execute the entry. I mean, that's why trading is all about taking the risk. So you're taking the risk based on your 2 confluences, but that doesn't invalidate the other confluences that you have, and you can look out always whenever you're trading. Let me hope that answers you, Levin. Yeah, but the greatest thing you can always look out for whenever you're executing with price action is understanding the direction or the market conditions you're dealing with. It is so easy to trade when you understand the kind of market you're dealing with. So it's gonna be easier for you to take entries based on that.
See my girl, the last time that I checked, see nothing ain't changed yet. Except that I got a big bag and a big flag. Tell me nobody tell me nonsense, my nigga. She say so cold, my nigga. Me nobody come try cry me a river. I'm a pull through like the strings on my guitar. Nonsense, my nigga. She say so cold, my nigga. Me nobody come try cry me a river.
I'm using the indicator with its
I don't want
with its default settings.
I just want you.
Yeah, my entries are not only based on the indicator, guys. My entries are not only based on the indicator, I also back them up with price action, strategy. Faisal, good to see ya. Weezy, good to have you. Hafiz, good to see ya. Solomon, good to have you. Anes, good to see you. Good to see you all, guys. Good to see you all, guys. Someone comment locked in. Yeah, I want to be explaining moves on the charts when you can easily catch on.
Nobody come try find me a river. I'ma pull through like the strings in my guitar. Nonsense, my nigga. The shoes is so cold, my nigga. Nobody come try find me a river. I'ma pull through like the strings in my guitar. So cold outside, my brother. I don't want pull no trigger. I just want you, cause I'm going play. I don't want no wahala. It's so cold outside, my brother. Me, I know the heat on the brother. Me, I just want you, cause I'm going play. I don't want no wahala. It's so cold outside. Me, I know they let nothing to worry me. I know they let nothing to bother me. They no owe no one apology. You know say she don't know they bother nobody. Me, I know they let nothing to bother me. I know they let nothing to bother me. They no owe no one apology. You get me, it's so good outside.
Y'all know what it is. Katy Perry, Juicy J. Let's rage.
Here you are, you're gonna come to me. Here you are, but you better choose carefully. I'm capable of anything, and everything. Make me your Aphrodite.
My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. I am trading binary options. Strategy is simple, price action. I do not like complicating things. I keep it as simple as I can, as I also manage with risk management and market discipline, because they are also very important whenever you're trading. You could have the best strategy, but if you have no capital to trade your best strategy, you're still a failed trader. So risk management is also important. Risk management is also important whenever you're trading, because if you can't manage your risk in these markets, you may get wiped out and you hate trading for life. Faisal, thank you. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. I'm using Keltina channel, not Bolinga bands. To me. Say you wanna stay with magic. Well, you should know what you're coming for. Baby, do you dare to do this? Cause I'm coming at you like a dark horse. Are you ready for a perfect storm, perfect storm? Cause what's your mind, what's your mind?
She's a beast. I call her karma. She eats your heart out like Jeffrey Dahmer. Be careful, try not to lead her on. Shorty heart is on steroids.
These buyers are really coming for that move, honestly. I'm so glad. It looked in. Buyers are coming for that move.
I'm gonna put her in a coma. Damn, I think I love her. Shot it so bad.
I'm Rami. I am doing well. Tell me, how is your day moving?
Her love is like a drug. I was trying to hit it and quit it, but little mama so dope. I messed around and got addicted.
So you wanna play with magic?
Boy, you should know what you got to know. Baby, do you dare to do this? 'Cause I'm coming at you like a dog. Are you ready for
Let's see if we can get any moves here.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Girl, just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Shout out to your mom and dad for making you. Staying in the vision, they did a great job raising you. When I create, you're my muse. The kind of smile that makes the news.
I know. Structure is shifting bullish, guys. This structure actually looks good. This is the best. Sorry about that. This is the best structure to trade. It's clear.
Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, get your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Already passed, you don't need no approval. Good everywhere, don't worry about no refusal. Second to none, you got the upper hand now. Don't need a sponsor, no, you're the brand now. You're my rock, my Colorado. Got that ring, just like Toronto. Love you now, let 'em out tomorrow. That's how I feel. Act like you know that you are. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Go just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
No pretending, you don't need mentions. Got them saying goals, they don't wanna be independent. Tell them to mind your business, we in our feelings. It's 50% attention, we need commitment. We gotta both admit it. It's funny, we both listen. It's a blessing, cause we both get it. You the best thing, and I don't need a witness. I'ma find me a ring and pray it's perfect, fit is perfect.
Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. So just make them drop dead, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. I will. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. That's all I'm going to do.
Guys, you all know what we do in a bullish trend. We follow it, and if you're a trader, the easiest way you can trade is following the trend. It's the easiest way you can really milk from the market. And we all know when it comes to trading, there is nothing like an overbought trade or an oversold trend. You just keep buying until it gives you a reason to stop buying. And that is market structure breaking the most recent low for an uptrend. So if you see the market structure has shifted into a pullback and that pullback goes deeper to break the most recent low, That's when your buyer switches from bullish to bearish. But other than that, if you don't see that on the charts already, keep on buying until the market asks for water.
She a queen like the fatigue. Oh, my little mama saying pretty. And we be shopping through
Yeah, so you can see buyers are really giving us the moves. Buyers are really onto something.
You don't gotta cry to me. I'm your best friend, baby. You don't gotta lie. I get you everything that you want and you need. From Chanel to Celine.
Osha, good to see ya.
Valentino, yeah, I'll put you in the best. So lifting up your dress, start kissing on your neck, start rubbing on your butt, start massaging your breast.
Brian, yes, it's true, you can.
So I backed out and added on your
You can use it on all time frames. Same with price action, it can be applied on all time frames. All you have to do is to be consistent with the time frame, guys, because the more you're consistent with a particular time frame or particular time frames, the better you're really going to get into knowing how that we all know different time frames move differently. So the easiest way you can really master your trading is being consistent with the time frame. If you're trading on 1 minute, be consistent with that. If your expiration time is 2 minutes, be consistent with that. It's going to be easier for you to understand trading in that way compared to when every day, every week you're switching your setup. I mean, this week you're on a 5-minute chart, next week you are on a 2-minute chart, 3-minute chart. It's always gonna be confusing for you, so it's always best to pick a few time frames and you just be consistent with that.
It's just gonna take time. Just because you're mine, I'm gonna keep you looking like a dime. You know imperfections, girl, you fine. Baby, what's your sign?
But these buyers are really onto something. The market is flying to the moon. Who agrees with me? The market is really flying to the moon, guys. No lie.
She said she a virgin. She my biggest fan, she always lurking. She know I'm a man, I'ma put that work in. I know she can't stand me.
So I should be consistent. Definitely. Yeah, when we talk about consistency, it's not all about showing up in the market. You have to be consistent with also your trading time, be consistent with your strategy, be consistent with the time frame. If you're using some indicators, if you are an indicator trader, try focusing on always try focus on also being consistent with few indicators or like one. Because how are you going to know that something works out when you have used it for 1 week? Just be consistent with everything that you're doing. You can also add on trading pairs, assets. Yeah, you can be consistent with about 5 or less, or depending on what. Yeah, you just keep on looking at that. It's really gonna make your trading easier. Because honestly, that's how trading became easier for me. Just being consistent with that. Yes, you could be seeing someone is trading a different time frame, but be consistent with what you're comfortable with. Alright guys, our queue is ready for the donation. Someone comment ready. Someone comment ready, because in a few we are gonna get into the donations. Guys, there's no point of really things I'm sharing are purely from my own trading experience. Yeah, so things that were really, I feel like the things that delayed my time of becoming profitable, it also being inconsistent also played a role. So if I tell you be consistent with the time frames, everything, it's really gonna change how you. If you're really tired of losses and you wanna be fully locked in, you should also give it a try, being consistent, because that's what really changed my trading game for me.
Drama to go outside,
Hey.
to mix up in drama to free my mind.
Someone comment ready, because in a few we are getting into the donations.
I just turn colder every time I try. What would I do without you, my Georgie? I don't feel that way with anybody.
And you know how we do it.
Tell me
You know how we do
I'm
it.
not messy.
Let us first secure our profits for tonight, then we get into the donations right away.
I wanna put you in my life. Your hair smell like the tropics, your body look nice. One fuck can't hold me, we gotta go twice. I'm here for you, just tell me what you like. I wanna put you in my life. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Guys, one thing I've noticed from you guys, you're really impatient traders. Because today I received about 3 comments from different guys talking about what are you waiting for. But one thing you should know when it comes to trading, it's not the amount of time you have spent executing. It's all about executing entries based on analysis. And the easiest way you can really get over. Okay, I believe being patient in the market is really important. There's no point of seeing green candles moving and you just want to execute. It is always best to wait for a move, guys. Whenever you are in a whenever you're looking at your charts and you feel the urge to execute, ask yourself your trading strategy. For example, I'm trading with price action. I'm going to ask myself, what is the market condition? Am I looking at a bearish market? If I'm taking a pullback entry in a bearish market, I'm going to ask myself the reason why I am taking that pullback entry. So if you cannot answer those questions, if you're going to take a trade, please don't execute. Please don't execute. You have to only trade when things make sense to you. We do not trade just random candles. We trade with confirmation. So always, it's not all about seeing candles, consecutive candles, red candles moving and you just want to flow with them. You have to have a reason why you're taking a trade. So that's what it should always be in your mind.
But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. You see me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me about that work.
Na.
When you walk out, na. Before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. I got a chance to. I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this through. What can I say? Cause you recognize I'm trying, baby.
Alright guys, let me see you type congratulations. Just one attempt is locked in for our first participant. So type congratulations. Type congratulations to our participant.
Yeah, okay.
You need to get done. I'm seeing someone is asking how many times do you spend minutes. Guys, one thing you should know, I don't mean to brag, I'm a natural beauty. So I don't do makeup. So I just show up. One thing I do when I'm starting the trading assembly is just to prepare myself and do some market analysis. But makeup, nah. I'll be analyzing the charts. Though I really appreciate. Thanks for the love. You just need to face to face.
You could pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work.
Alright, move on to our next. That has already given us moves, guys. Look at that trade. Look at that tray.
We clawed, we chained our hearts in
Guys, this is a
vain.
pullback entry.
Never
So let's see how it goes.
We kissed, I fell
It's already locking in a plus.
No one could deny.
Don't you ever say I just swept away. I will always want you.
I can live a lie, running for my life. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you
Let's see if we can get another move.
ever hit me, yeah, you ever hit me. I put you high up in the sky, and now you're not coming down. It slowly turned, you let me.
This is a trading assembly. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are looking for a second attempt. Let's see how it goes.
I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your walls. All you ever did was hit me. I came in like a wrecking ball. Yeah, I just closed my eyes and swung. Left me crashing in the blazing fall. All you ever did was hit me. Yeah, you hit me.
Rod, good to see ya. Hola, hola with them boys. Alright, guys, let us look in.
I guess I should have let you in. I never meant to start a war. I just wanted you to let me in. I guess I should have let you in. Don't you ever say I just walked away. I will always want you. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break you up.
Alright, second attempt is in and it has closed in a plus.
I came in like a wrecking ball. Yeah, I just closed my eyes and swung. Let me crashing in the blazing fall. All you ever did was hit me. Yeah, you hit me. Yeah, you hit me.
Don't you ever say. Rod, I crashed and burned again. Guys, you should really stop blowing accounts. I'm not speaking from an angle that I've never blown an account, but that is the worst state of risk management you can be at. And the more you keep on blowing your accounts, the more it's affecting your psychology. And it is not really good for any trader to have a bad psychology. Work on your risk management. Your risk management should be worked on, my friend. Alright, guys, let me see you type congratulations to Stella. Yeah, type congratulations to our participants. 3 attempts are locked in and we have hit our target. would go through all this pain. Guys, let me see type congrats. Let me see type congrats. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant.
You won't do the same.
Everything goes to the participant.
No, 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 no. Black and blue. Beat me till I'm numb. Tell the devil I said, hey, when you get back to where you're from.
Bad woman.
Bad woman. That's just what you are. Yeah, you smile in my face, then rip the brakes out my car.
Gave you what I had and tossed it in the trash.
Tossed it in the trash, yes you did. To give me all your love is all I ever ask. Cause what you don't understand is I'd catch a grenade.
Let me see more congrats.
Throw my hand on a blade, oh yeah. I jump in front of a train, oh yeah. You know I'd do anything, oh yeah. Oh, I would go through all this pain. Take a bullet straight through my brain. Yes, I would die for you, baby. But you won't do the same. If my body was on fire, ooh, you watch me burn down in flames. You said you love me, you're a liar, cause you never, ever did, baby.
You guys are interested. Someone commented, once you learn a new strategy, then you boom, you blow your account. What do you mean? Guys, one thing I know about trading, you can never blow your account if you're not risking big on a single position. That can never happen to you, whether you have a strategy or not. Oh my god. Okay, we have taken an L on the first attempt. Let us refund and try again.
You wouldn't do the same. Ooh, you never do the same. No, 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 no.
But you're really interesting.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed, put on my best suit.
But guys, tell me,
My car, raced like a
you know, when it comes to learning a new strategy, I just stopped somewhere. Like I always tell you, the only thing I feel like I didn't learn, the only thing I feel like I didn't learn when I was learning strategies and all that, it was chart patterns. By that I mean the bullish flags, the swinging, pendulum, something of that sort. I just woke up and I was like, you know what? I know everything about trading. All I have to do is to lock in. So I don't understand at what level you be learning a new strategy and you end up blowing your account. Sometimes you already have the strategy, you just need to believe in yourself as a trader that you can do it. Okay, what am I doing wrong? Me, when I was still blowing accounts, because I will not deny I've ever blown an account, not one, not two, quite many. By the time I was blowing accounts, the only problem I was facing myself is lack of discipline purely. By that I mean lack of risk management. I would be finding my account and most of the times I would be wanting to be flipping it in a day or even just in just a single session. But as a trader, you should get over the idea of flipping an account. If you really want to become better at trading, don't focus on flipping accounts, focus on growing accounts. Those are two different things. And if you focus on growing accounts, you're looking at starting to risk small and you just keep on increasing as your account has grown.
No matter what you say.
Alright, guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? This is already going in your way. Let me see, type congratulations. One attempt is locked in. Guys, let me see, type congratulations. You have locked in one attempt. Type congratulations to Victor. Say yes, cause I need to know. I need to see more congrats, guys. I need to see more congrats to our participants. Making deposits. You see who switched up sides and who was solid. You see who stuck to the code and who forgot to talk about it, bitch.
You know how to go and get a bag, don't you? You know how to make a bitch mad, don't you? Make your ex wanna get it back. That's a fact. Say a lot of for the bitches in the back. Hey.
I know how to go and get it back, don't I? I know how to get a bitch mad, don't I? Make my ex wanna get it back. That's a fact. Say a lot of for the bitches in the back. Hey.
Backing it up. I'm the king of talking shit, then backing it up. Hey, backing it up. Throw that shit over here, girl. That's what it's for. What you say?
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Yeah, I had got some issues, but here I am again. We go on to our next participant. Someone comment locked in, because we are back and fully locked in.
Why you gotta act so naughty?
I've been here all night, I've been here all day. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds. On to our next participant. Sorry about that. Our first entry is locked in. You can see the market is really trending down. Yeah, it's really trending down. My friends keep talking with me. I am trading Brent oil OTC. Yeah, that's what we are trading. And if you want to be part of the participants tonight, it is simple. You can use the donation link down in the description, and you surely be part of the participants. This is a continuation entry, guys, so let's see how it closes. Them buyers are coming after me. Let's see. Oh my god. My second attempt has been invalid. Ow! To be honest, these are my worst entries to take. When your entry is invalidated and it gets, the market continues in your direction. I'm sorry about that. Let's go on to our next. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn as traders and also catch up. Okay, on to our next.
All these bitches clothes is my mini me. Now these smoking, so they call me Young Nicky Chimney. Rappers and they feelings, cause they feeling me. I give zero fucks and I got zero chillin' me. Sicily, cop the blue box that say Tiffany. Curry with the shot, just tell him to call me Stephanie. Gun pop, and I make my gun pop. I'm the queen of rap, young Ariana Run Pop.
Keep talking way too much.
To give them up, can't hear them now, 'cause
If you want to learn the strategy, all you have to do is to lock in. All you have to do is to log in on this stream, and you're free to ask any trading question. The strategy is simple: price action. And when it comes to price action, we are looking at understanding the market direction. Wow, this is a great move, guys. Are you seeing this? Yeah, that's what we are talking about. I love such moves. If only the market could move like this, the moment you execute your entries, they immediately runs into your direction. So with price action, you're looking at understanding the market direction, understanding market structure, and understanding candlestick patterns. That's what I'm always looking at. But I do not only focus on that whenever I'm trading. I also back it up with risk management. We all know a good strategy without risk management. Yeah, without risk management, it's not gonna work out for you. So you have to have a balance of sorry about that. You have to have a balance between risk management, strategy, and also market discipline. It has to be a full package.
all I had to do was ask for space. I'm telling you beyond your how you loved me when you started. I be here begging for you. You should be giving me love all damn day. Till the day is
Guys, let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations to our participant. Did this good in the fire? This is good enough for you. We go on to our next. Lucky.
Tell me if you with it, baby, come and get it. Trying new and let's spark a new flame.
Someone comment locked in. Travels, thank you. I love you too. Much love from here. So on to our next participant. Yeah, first attempt is in. So let's move. If you're locked in on the chats, comment locked in. I wanna know how many are still locked in, so that if I'm explaining a move, you can easily catch up. Oh my god. Sellers have gone against me, damn. I'm sorry about that. I anticipated pullback, but the market has gone against me. Sorry about that, Lucky.
I wanna take your light inside. Let me dance up me out. Hands on my neck.
This is a trading assembly. You're free to ask. You're free to ask any trading question, guys. We are always here to learn. Yeah, the strategy is simple, pure price action. So understanding market structure, understanding market conditions, those are the main things that I'm always looking at. And of course, all my entries are refined with candlestick patterns. They give me more confirmations. We all know candlestick patterns. They're going to show you when the market is getting into a reversal, when the market is getting into a continuation. I just wanna be one of your girls tonight.
He knows how to get the best out of me. I'm not false when I want to see. Trade my whole life just for me. To the world, but I'm still not free. This is a secret that I keep. Until it's gone, I can never find peace. Waste my whole life just to be. We don't gotta be alone now. I don't gotta be the one now. I just wanna be.
I'm loving this momentum from sellers, guys. Are you seeing it? This is a crazy big candle here.
I just wanna be one of your girls tonight.
I just wanna be one of your girls tonight. Just one attempt to go, and this is a pullback move.
I like to go and shop at the mall, shop at the Prada, shop at the store, shop in the drop it, stop at the Dior.
Let me see, type congratulations, participant Tassina. Yeah, 3 attempts are locked in, and you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Guys, let me see you type congrats. Let me see you type more congratulations.
Pricey, he wanna fuck cause I'm icy. He never met no one like me. It's pretty funny how now they all like me. And this ain't renting. Straight from the plane, I boarded.
Maybe you can't afford it.
I'm with my dogs and we out in shortage. You got a shortage on your funds and I got a long clip on my guns. Sounds like fun. I got a shortage. I'm no bum. Reach for my purse and you're done. Reach for the purses. Wearing designer, I'm in the future. I got a future. I'm in a new truck. I'm in a booth, yeah, drinking kombucha. Singing with Smiley, speaking me highly. Tryna go Kylie, I wake up finally. Suffer in silence, waking up violent. Checking the finest, choosing the finest. That's the environment. I'm at the timing. Pink, ooh, I'm checking my timing.
On to our next.
Hear my joke, I got a joke. Kicking, jump like Nike. Very good check, they like me. Man tell me he like me, he wanna fuck me, very likely.
I mean, that's true.
That's true. Yeah. I'm in London, I like to go and shop at the mall, shop at the Prada, shop at the store, shop in the tropics, stop at Dior. Louis Vuitton, cover my toes, throw my trousers.
Alright, guys, we are watching out for our next move. So that currently market structure is shifting bullish. How do you know market structure is shifting bullish? It's creating a high, taking it out, creating a new low, pulling back, maintaining the low, and moving in the continuation. So that's how you know it's a bullish market. So let's see how it goes.
Jump on the gun like I'm Ringo. I'm in this bitch with no chain like I'm Django. We from the ends where they know that they can't go. She go both ways, so I'm tasting a rainbow. Yummy, they got no more bread, they're crummy. The same way that Mello was staring at free is the way that I stare at the money. I'm ready to risk it, all if I lift it, bet I won't miss it. You a statistic, thought shit was sweet till we popped up and popped off the top of your mystic. I go ballistic, hopped out the drop, let the drop on the up, now I'm opportunistic.
A bullish entry worked out well, so let's see if we can get another move.
Dreamer, running the game in my signature trainers. Balenciaga for joggers, I might just wear Crocs at the O2 Arena, splendid. Got no limits, should have a tank on my pendant. Blow so I'm broke trying to keep up with cold, but I make it back soon as I spend it. Made back tinted, excuse me sir, but ain't that rented? I'm offended, straight cash for my vintage. We don't pay back interest, aim at fences. When I swing, pay respects and kiss my ring. Even Elizabeth said I'm king. Why would I choose between this one or that one when I know that I can have both? I laugh at these rappers for capping, I guess CIP ain't the only one out here with jokes. Man, just don't want smoke.
I mean, that's true. Guys, whenever the market is getting into a pullback, it fails to take out a low, but then it continues up, and it also fails to take out a high. That can also be a sign that the market is most likely to shift structure, because it's what is happening. So let's see if sellers are really going to be moving this market and turning it into a bearish market, because this is what I'm looking at right now. So this is what is happening. My bias is shifting bearish, guys. My bias is shifting bearish. Let's see, sellers.
That pussy kill be so vicious. My God, white be in my pocket. Get me better than the devil till I go. Now she asks me if I do this every day.
I say often. Our sell entry, you can see it is locked in purely by just understanding market structure and being patient enough to execute when the market is making sense. Okay, we'll go.
Girl been drinking all day, need a change bladder. She just happy that the crew back in town. She about to go downtown for a whole hour. If I had her, you can have it, then it don't matter. I'm never sour, I'm just smoking something much louder. If I do this every day,
I say often.
that's not any time she wrote the wave, not so often. Bitches down to do it either way. Often, baby, I can make that pussy wait. Often, girl, I do this often. pussy poppin', do it how I want it. Often, often, girl, I do this often. Make that pussy poppin', do it how I want it. Often. Ooh, the sun's rising up. The night's almost done. The night's
All right. Our another attempt is locked in, so let us get one final attempt for our participant. You're free to ask any trading question, guys. This is a trading assembly. I say often. 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 This is already moving in our direction, guys. Okay. Oh, beautifully locked in. Let me see you type congratulations to Noah. Yeah, let me see you type congratulations. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. Let me see more congrats. Ada, thank you.
Hills and oceans, we're overdosing. I'm angry, but I still love you. Hills and oceans, we're overdosing. Can't stand it, but I still love you.
I still love.
Hey yo, they could never make me hate you. Even though what you was doing wasn't tasteful. Even though you out here looking so ungrateful. I'ma keep it moving, be classy and graceful. I told them it's no friends in the game, you ain't learned that yet. All the bridges you came over, don't burn that yet. Niggas want respect, niggas ain't earned that yet. Self-righteous but they swearing on the Bible that they love you. And really they no different from all your rivals, but I still don't wish death on them. I just reflect on them.
Amara, good to see you. Amaro, good to see you. Travels, good to see you. Guys, good to have you all. This is a trading assembly. So let us lock in with our final participant for tonight. I still love. Guys, the indicators I use them with default settings. Yeah, my entries are not only based on the indicator, guys. I'm a pure price action trader, so I use both the indicator and price action. And when it comes to price action, I am looking at market conditions, that is bullish, bearish, sideways markets, understanding market structure, and candlestick patterns.
Hills and oceans, we're overdosing. I'm angry, but I still love you. Hills and oceans, we're overdosing. Can't stand it, but I still love you. I still love.
Wow. This is already closing in applause. Let me see you type congratulations. Let me see you type congratulations. To taste. Yeah. 2 attempts are locked in. I don't know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away. The platform I'm using is Pocket Options Broker, guys, and there's a link in the description for it. I am always here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So join the trading assembly as I'm sharing my strategy, my trading experience, all the bad days in my trading I've shared on this stream, and all the good days. Everything about my experience, I'm already sharing it here. So join the trading assembly, 8 p.m. UK time. And there's a link down in the description for my Telegram. You can write to me anything. And also you can join my Telegram community. There's a link down in the description.
Tonight you shall reach a height that the sky won't catch you. The highest form of my admiration. I ain't no connoisseur, but I'm kind of sure you will admire my tasting before the sun grazes you. I'm trying to see how deep you are. Believe me, shawty, I ain't talking about no intimate conversation. I want to see if I can make you reach things unobtainable when I peek into your nature. All right,
guys. I love you so much. We catch up tomorrow, same time. Bye.